Hello everyone! As you can guess from the title, my 3D printer arrived. First some context, so I bought this one on Gearbest for about 315 euros. Shipping to Germany was free but took quite some time, around 50 days for me if I'm not mistaken, but that depends of course on the warehouse shipped from and so on. But as you can see in the video, even if the box seems a little beaten, the parts are protected pretty good, so I have no doubt most of these will arrive in good condition. Links, PartList and additional information will be found in the description below. For the assembly you can skip to 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Now for the video evidence that shows that even I can assemble this printer. No, but for real, it's not hard. Not that I have any idea what I'm doing. As you probably noticed, the printer arrived already half assembled, and for the rest you get a step-by-step guide. But here are a few tips. A second pair of hands would come in handy, at least for the first steps. The structural screws need washers underneath, but if you are like me and enjoy putting things apart and back together, you will omit them completely on purpose, so you can start all over again. Labeled cables are helping too, but you want to be extra careful with the two connecting to the power supply, as they might not be interchangeable, but are still keyed the same way. For some inexplicable reason, one cable has a label not mentioned in the manual, or at least I couldn't find it anywhere. But at that point there's only one unoccupied connector left, so that works out regardless. And finally, before you hook it up, you want to check if it's set to the right voltage. On the right side of the PSU, you will find a switch that should be set correctly at default, but there's no harm in checking. Alright, that's it from me. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Bye!